In this video, we are going to see how we can unblock someone on Facebook that you have blocked recently from your friend list. After unblocking, they should be able to see your post. They should be able to tag you, and all the previous functionality will be restored. But just remember that if you have added them recently on the friend list, or you remove them from the friend list and block them as well, even if you unblock, they will not be added to your friend list automatically. They have to send you friend request, or you have to send them the friend request in order to have that properly restored. So let's see how we can unblock the specific person on Facebook. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner where is your profile icon, and click on settings and privacy, and click on settings. Under here, you will scroll down until you see audience and visibility section. From here, we choose blocking, and here we choose blocking profiles and pages. Block profiles and pages means these are blocked users. Basically, click on edit and click on see your block list, and here you go. This is the person that I blocked recently that I want to unblock. So as soon as we press unblock, it will share this message with you. Are you sure that you want to unblock this person? They may be able to see your timeline, contact you depending on the privacy settings you have on your profile, and they should be able to tag you, and all the previous tagging settings will be restored as well. And please remember that you have to wait 48 hours before you can reblock them. So click on confirm, and it will take some time, and it will show you this message that this person has been unblocked. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.